Today, in our Ask a Scientist segment, we're sharing some behind-the-scenes video clips that graduate student Kit Hamley took while she was doing fieldwork in the Falklands.
Whoa, so soft. Yeah. Phew. Okay, so maybe you can see this. It's kind of dark in here, but we've taken first 10 centimeters of soil from a transect perpendicular to the beach and the peat bank. We're in a tussock stand that does not have burrowing Magellanic penguins. So there are no birds here. And the soil is pretty sandy and rooty and peaty. There are some places where it's very wet and organic, and that's very interesting.
Raindrops going about 70,000 miles per hour.
It hurts! It feels like hail. That's just water. That's how far we're going. Got whitecaps in the ocean.
Hey, don't look as dramatic as it should be. Just gotta get to lunch.
Gotta get to the lunch that's in my pack.
Yeah, it's probably soggy. Signing out.
To find out more about Kit's research on the Falkland Islands, check out the article adapted by Science Journal for Kids titled, "How Did the Wara Cross the Ocean to the Falkland Islands?"